And this is Summer.
Hi.
Oh, yesterday
I feel so welcomed, you know. I'm glad to be on her channel. I feel so special.
So before this video starts, I did want to say that I did have an intro, but I hated it, honestly. And you guys know I'm so picky with the way that my setup is and all. And the way I started it, I did not like it at all. So I just started it from where I walked over to the watermelon. And yes, this is Samar. And I'm glad that we finally came to make this video and I brought her onto my channel. So let's just go ahead and jump right into that and get started.
It's gonna take us forever.
I'm gonna like do 2 at a time.
Wait, how do you fucking get it on?
And just hug the watermelon.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, they are kind of coming up.
This is gonna take us forever.
I'll probably fast forward.
Yeah, you're gonna have to. They're not gonna fucking watch us for an hour. Hey, maybe if we're like half naked or something. But...
For real.
Ah! My hair is everywhere. Oh my god, this is crazy.
I still feel no tightness.
Well, because there's not a lot on there yet. Do you see how many people put?
For real, it gets so thick, huh?
Imagine it explodes really early, like earlier than we expect.
Whoa, I just stabbed my whole nail into there.
We didn't even count how many rubber bands. Were we supposed to count?
Who knows? Were you supposed to?
I don't know.
How many comes in one bag? You opened one bag?
Yeah, so one bag is... It doesn't say. 435 of them?
It says it.
Oh no, isn't that like grams?
Yeah. You think it comes with 50,000? I doubt it.
That?
Yeah. No, it's just
No, I
the serial
didn't
number.
the serial number. Okay, it's getting easier now. Like it got smaller. Do you feel it?
I don't think it got smaller. You think so?
Yeah. All right, time out. Let me put my freaking hair back. Okay.
It knocks us out like that guy. Oh my god, we're just passed out. We literally have that on camera, on both cameras.
On my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Lil bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Ayy, lil bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Ayy, you know I love it when you talk dirty. Messy, you my orange soda shorty. You act like a lil me, I wanna fuck you. You the type to kill me, I won't touch you. You want me driving on some cute shoes. You let me beat it up, you let me practice. Now I'm finna lay you on a mattress. Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight.
It's bubbling. Is that the only spot?
Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, it's cracked all in there. It's cracking! Right here is fine.
It's already juicy. That's juicy. For real, you and I both.
That would be funny though if we just both pop on goggles.
I'm doing one at a time now. Fuck this. Oh my
Dude,
god,
that's
my
just wet as fuck. Look at my hand.
That's what she said.
It would be on her hand.
Oh my god.
Woo!
I should squirt it at me right now when it cracks.
Y'all, look at this.
Oh
Yeah, probably. That shit made a mouth right here. It said help.
Y'all gonna end up like that dude on the fucking on the
Oh, you
video
hear
on
it?
Facebook.
You hear it? You hear it?
You hear it? There it goes, there it I was watching it pop.
I was like, oh shit!
I was watching it pop.
Show it. Damn. Should we eat it?
Really?
Yeah, I was like, you hear it? And then as soon as I back up, that shit started lifting. It broke so pretty though, like super perfect.
It didn't hit anyone.
That's the last rubber band I had.
It's only hit.
It didn't even make that big of a mess.
It did. It sure did.
I thought it was gonna like hit that car at least.
It went over here.
Oh yeah, that is a mess.
I'm making it too.
I will. How much rubber bands do you think? Like half the bag?
Half the bag.
She got these
More
bags
than half the bag.
at
Because,
Staples.
Look, you still have all these. I was already almost done with my side.
And this was
Done.
Daddy missed it. Okay, that concludes today's video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was fun. We didn't even think it was
fun.
We thought it was gonna take like an hour at least, because she told me that she watched a video that it took literally almost an hour. But I think
Well, we were 2 people.
yeah,
so.
I think because it was 2 of us.
And we were putting on more than one at a time.
Yeah. So if you want to save time, there's
There's a way to do it.
ideas. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.